A cable with a mass of 12 kg per meter suspending between 2 points on the same level of 300 meter apart and has a sag of 60 meter under only its weight effect. Find the tension at mid-length, maximum tension on the cable, and the total length of the cable. For the cable, catenary cable, we have this relation. For the catenary cable, y equals to T0 on mu multiply to the cosinus hyperbolic minus 1. Mu equals to 12 kilogram per meter equals to kilonewton per meter. Now we can write the expression. We have sag at the mid point T0 cosinus hyperbolic on T0 minus 1. T0 minus 1. The relation graphical solution. We have this picture. So T0 equals to 2 kilonewton for T at mid-length. T max has a relation which is T0 M1. T max will be occur at the end and for maximum part B max, which is the sag and the final is the length of the cable. 2S equals to S equals to 2T0 on mu sinus hyperbolic mu x on T0 x equals to, for the cable with the sag S x. 2s equals to the cable and is method.